Okay, so we are looking for standard 3 from you guys now. I know a lot of you aren't ready for this yet, so I want you to just keep on working where you're at. But we do still need to continue pushing on for those of you that are ready. So I want to cover a couple things here with standard 3 very, very briefly, and then I will go into a few other specifics when the time comes. So first of all, standard 3, just like standard 2, has a video that I want you to watch first with Hank. This one specifically is on cellular aspiration. Also, similarly to standard 2, you have 3 rows here that you're picking from. And if you notice, a lot of what is on standard 3 is almost identical to what was on standard 2. You've got 2 options for a lab type activity. You've got 2 options for more of an illustrative activity. And then you've got 2 options for more of a vocabulary activity. Do what you feel comfortable with right away. And then you can come back and we can worry about the virtual lab and the respiration rate lab later. We aren't there yet, but I did want to give you an overview of standard 3. So again, most of you are not quite here yet, but for those of you that are, I want to make sure that you can push on ahead. If you're not there, then you need to pick up the pace a little bit so you can work on catching up and be where you should be for this class. So that is your essential standard 3 kind of overview.